Hello and welcome to the Analytics training videos. In this video, we will learn about the cycle time control chart. Let us first understand what is cycle time. Cycle time refers to the total amount of time it takes for a task or work item to move through a workflow from start to finish. It includes all the time spent actively working on the task, as well as any waiting time in between stages. Understanding cycle time is important because it helps you measure how efficiently you're completing tasks. By tracking cycle times, you can identify bottlenecks or areas where work is getting stuck, and then you can take steps to improve the flow and speed up your overall process. In the execution board, the cycle time for a card is recorded for every column, such as the days or hours a card was lying in a particular column. From the start date when the card entered a column to the time it exited the column. Cycle time control charts are plotted to monitor process efficiency, establish performance targets or benchmarks, and monitor process stability. The chart plots points indicating cards that have cycle times above or below average and beyond control limits. To plot a cycle time control chart, open the Analytics Builder and navigate to Standard Widgets. Under the Lean Analytics, click the Cycle Time Control Chart icon. Specify the widget name. Under the Data Criteria section, select the work item type you want to plot. Select the data range for which you want to see the cycle time of work items. If you want to apply a filter, select a filter from the drop-down list. You can also create your filter by clicking the Create Filter option. Select the lane whose cycle time you want to see. Select the range of columns for the cycle time of the cards. For example, if you select from the Ready column to the Sprint Closure column, then it will show the cycle time of the cards from the Ready column to the Sprint Closure column. Next, under Dimension and Settings, select the time period value to be plotted on the x-axis, whether it is daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the cycle time to be plotted on the y-axis of the chart, whether it is in hours, days, or weeks. Please note, if you select the time period as weekly, then remember that the week is considered from Sunday to Saturday. Once you are done with all the settings, click the Save button. The widget is plotted. The green line indicates the upper control limit, and the one below the green line is the lower control limit, or LCL. Based on the pattern plotted on the control chart, one can infer whether the process is in place or not. If most number of the cards fall under the upper control limit and lower control limit, then this means the process is efficient. If a few cards lie outside the control limits, then there is no issue. Such data points are commonly referred to as outliers. The problem arises when there are a large number of cards that do not fall within the range of control limits of the control chart. This indicated that most of the cards have higher cycle times than expected. One needs to look into it and ensure that over a period of time, process improvements are in place so that most of the cards fall within the range of control limits. To find out the card that is out of control limits, rest your pointer on the outlier. You can see the card name and the metric. Thus, Cycle Time Control Chart helps you measure the process efficiency, identify the outliers in the work, and help to improve the processes over the period. We hope this video helped you have a basic understanding of the Cycle Time Control Chart widget. See you in the next video. Thank you.